Hello dear students, welcome back to our online class. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises of chapter number 4. In my previous video, I have already explained some exercises of chapter number 4 that is related to common noun and proper noun. So now in today's video, I am going to explain the next rest part of this chapter. Okay, so first of all, you all take out your Tune Into Grammar book and open chapter number 4. Student, today we are going to revise the exercise B of chapter number 4 that is related to rewrite the sentences in your notebook, use capital letter where needed and encircle the common noun and underline the proper noun. Okay, so let's do this given exercise. So first of all, there is a first sentence, my birthday falls on 23rd December. Okay student, so here we will underline the word birthday. Okay, we will encircle the word birthday because it is common noun, it is example of common noun, and after that we will underline that word which is related to proper noun. So student, here is the word December, so first letter of December will be in capital. Okay, so we will underline this given word that is December and we will write this D in capital. Okay, so just like this you have to change this given words and after that you have to write down in your notebook. Okay, so my birthday, the first letter will be in capital, so my birthday, you will write my birthday falls on 23rd December. Okay student, now the next stage, so is my best friend. So student, here is the word so is a name, so first of all we will change the first letter into capitals. It is example of proper noun, so we will underline it. So is my best friend. Friend is a common, so we will circle it. Okay student, so just like this you have to change this given sentences. Okay, and after that write down in your notebook. In number 3rd, it is very hot in Delhi during May and June. So student, the first letter will be capital. It is very hot in Delhi. Delhi is a proper noun, so we will underline it. Okay, and May and June also is the example of proper noun, so we will underline it. In number 4, Kavita, Anita and Radhika are cousins. So student, we will change the first letter of each name. Kavita, Anita and Radhika, the first letter will be in capital and after that we will underline it because it is examples, it's all are example of proper noun, so we will underline it and after that the word cousins, it is related to common noun, so we will circle it. Okay, in number 5, my favorite festival is Diwali. Okay, my favorite festival is Diwali. So student, festival is a common, so we will circle it and after that we will change the first letter of Diwali into capital. Okay, and after that we will underline it. 6th is I go to St. Mary's School. So student, the first letter of St. Mary's will be capital and after that school is a common, so we will circle it. Okay, in number 7, we lived right opposite Union Bank. Okay, so here's the word Union, the first letter will be in capital, so we will underline it and bank is a common, so we will circle it. In number 8, the Jama Masjid is a mosque in Delhi. Okay, the Jama Masjid is a mosque in Delhi. So student, mosque is a common word, so we will circle it and after that Delhi and Jama Masjid are example of proper nouns, so first letter will be in capital and after that we will underline it. In number 9, the stores are closed on Sundays. So the word stores is the example of common nouns, so we will underline it and the word Sunday is example of proper noun, so we will underline it and change the first letter into capital. In number 10, Tim is playing games on the computer. So student, Tim is the name of a person, so the first letter will be in capital and after that we will underline it and games and computers are example of common nouns, so we will circle it. Okay, in number 11, the Nilgiris are a beautiful mountain range in South India. So student, the Nilgiris is example of proper noun, so first of all we will change the first letter in capital and after that we will underline it and mountain is a common, so we will circle it and South India is also example of proper noun, so we will change the first letter in capital letter and after that underline it. Number 12, we celebrate Teachers Day on 5 September. So student, first letter of V will be in capital. We celebrate teachers. So we will underline this word and after that we will change the first letter into capital because it's an example of proper noun. So Teachers Day and after that September is also example of proper noun. So we will change the first letter into capital letter. Okay. So just like this you have to change the given words and after that you will write this sentences in your notebook. Okay, you will rewrite this sentences in your notebook with a good handwriting. Now we moving to the next exercise. Student, there is a next information about the group. Okay, sometimes we give a single name to a group of people, animals, bird or things. For example, the examples are given here. That is, a group of lions is called a pride. Okay, a group of birds is called a flock. A group of cards is called a deck. So student, nouns that name a collection of people, animals, birds or things are called collective nouns. We all know that. So here we will learn about collective nouns. So here class, pride, flock and deck are collective nouns. So take a look at some more example of collective nouns. Okay. Before this, we will learn about common noun and proper noun. Now we are going to learn about collective noun. What is collective noun? So student, we will say that nouns that name a collection of people, animals, bird or things are called collective nouns. Okay, it is very important. You must be note down this given definition about collective nouns. First of all, you will learn about common noun, after that proper noun, and the third form is a collective nouns. Okay, so here we are going to take a look some more example of collective nouns. So student, here are 3 columns. First for people, second for animals or birds and third for things. So an army of soldiers, what we call that? An army of soldiers. Okay. A choir of singers, a band of musicians, a troupe of dancers, a crowd of onlookers, a team of players. Okay. Next is a colony of ants, a pack of wolves, a swarm of bees or flies, a shoal of fish, a litter of puppies, a herd of cows or cattle, a bunch of keys, a flight of stairs, a galaxy of stars, a bouquet of flowers, a fleet of ships, a string of pearls. Just like this, you have to learn that what we call this group of things, animals, birds or people. Okay. Now we moving to the exercises that is related to collective nouns. So student, here is a exercise, match the column to make collective nouns. Okay, here is the stairs, bees, fish, students, soldiers, puppies, lions, birds, grapes and ants. What we call their groups. Okay, so here is first is stairs. So we will match stairs with flight. Okay. Number C. Second is bees. So we will match with A, that is swarm. Third is fish. So we will match with soul. Fourth is students. So it will be class. Fifth is soldiers. Fourth is students. So student we will match with I, class. Fifth is soldiers. So it will be matched with A, that is army. Sixth is puppies. So it will be matched with litter. Seventh is lion, so we will match with pride. Next is birds, so we will match with, that is number 8, so we will match with flock. Number 9 is grapes, so we will match with bunch. And number 10 is ant, so it will be matched with G, that is colony. Okay, so just like this you have to match this given collective nouns. Okay, here is some notes for you. You must be read this given notes. Although collective nouns refer to a collection of people, animals, bird or things, it is still treated as one. Okay, as one. For example, a band of musicians is made up of many musicians, but the band is single. Okay student, you must be remember about this given notes. Now here is the next exercise that is related to collective nouns again. So what will we do in this given exercise? So student, look at the pictures. Here you will look at the pictures, then write the appropriate collective nouns below each picture. Okay, so the group of words are given in the brackets. You must be choose according to the given pictures, what we call that exact group. Okay, so first stage group of lion. So what we call it is a pride of lions. So we will write here a pride of lions. Next one is grapes. So we will write here a bunch of grapes. Third is birds. So a group of word is called flock. So we will write here a flock of birds. Fourth is ants. So we will write here a colony of ants. Next is number 5, shoes. So we will write here a pair of shoes. Next is fish. So we will write here a soul of fish. Now the next one, number 7, there is a group of bees. So we call a swarm of bees. Okay. Next is a student. So a class of student. Ninth is bouquet. So we will write a bouquet of flowers. Next is a deck of cards. So just like this you have to complete this given exercise. Now we moving to the next exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct collective nouns. So student, you must be write collective nouns on the given blanks. Okay, so first is a dash of sheep grazed in the field. So what we call a group of sheep, so it will be herd. So we will write here herd. Next is a dash of ants carried a biscuit. So we will write here colony. Third is the dash of lions was as slaves. So we will write here a pride. Fourth, the dash of stair led to the top of the building. So we will write here flight. Okay. Now the next number 5, Harsha has been selected in the Indian hockey. We will write here team. So just like this you have to write down the collective nouns on the given blanks. Okay student, you must be complete this given exercise, and after that you will write this given exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, it's your homework. You must be write about common noun, proper noun, and after that collective noun. You have to define this all kinds of noun, and after that you have to write 2 exercises of this chapter in your notebook with a good handwriting. Now we moving to the next chapter, that is related to nouns, singular and plural. Okay, so you all take out chapter number 5, that is nouns, singular and plural. So student, check your school bags. Name 3 things in your bag that are 1 in number. Here we going to learn about singular and plural form of noun. Okay student, so there are many things in our bag, so you must be write only 3 things. Okay, so first things is tiffin, water bottle, eraser, pencils, book, copy. You have to write down here. Okay, name 3 things that are more than 1 in your school bag. So student, so you must be have more than 1 pencil, so you have to write here pencils, books, copies. Okay, in singular column you have to write tiffin, water bottle and eraser, and in plural you have to write pencils, books and copies. So it's a kind of singular, and this is example of plural. Now the next, so student, you have learned that a noun is a singular when it is 1 in number. It is plural when it is more than 1. Okay, in singular we will learn about that singular is referred to 1 person, place, animal or things, and plural is refers to more than 1 person, animal, place or things. So a noun is a singular when it is 1 in number, and it is plural when it is more than 1. So we add an s to form the plural of most singular nouns. For example, book, it will be in plural books. Caps, it will be caps. Okay, so we add es to form the plural to singular nouns that end in as, ss, ch or x. For example, class, it will be classes. Bus, it will be buses. Watch, it will be watches. Tax, it will be taxes. Student, you must be read these given rules. How could we change the singular word into plural? Okay, how could we change the singular form into plural by adding s or es? And here are some many more example, many more rules that how could we change the singular into plural. So let's learn about that. Next is to form the plural of nouns ending in y. We must be seeing the last letter of the word. Okay, when the To form the plural of nouns adding in y, we drop y and add ies. For example, there is a word study. So it will be studied. We drop y and in the place of y, we will use ies. Next is duty. So it will be duties. We add ves to form the plural of words that end with f or fe. For example, wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. Plural of this is this and that is those. Okay, plural of this is this and that is those. So now it is the exercise which is related to this chapter. Match the singular word with their plurals. Here we are going to match the singular word into their plural form. So first word is half. So tell me what the plural form of half. How could we change half into plural? So we will learn. We have to learn that in previous that we change the word f into ves. So it will be halves. So where is the halves? So the first number 1 we will match with C. Okay, half. The plural form of half is halves. Second is poppy. Second word is puppy. So it will be puppies. Okay, student. So we have to match with this given number second with G, poppies. Third is Jew. So it will be Jews. Okay, Jews. So fourth is penny. It will be pennies. Fifth is switch. So it will be switches. Sixth is calf. It will be calves. Seventh is toe. So it will be toes. Eighth is batch. It will be batches. Ninth is cherry. So it will be cherries. 10th is church. So it will be churches. 11th is student. It will be students. 12th is plank. It will be planks. Okay, students. So just like this, you have to match this given exercise singular word to their plurals. Okay, student. Now we moving to the next. Student, here is the next. Complete the table with the correct singular and plural form. Okay, here we will write the correct singular and plural form according to the blanks. So first, in plural column, there is a word scarves. So in singular, it will be scarf. Okay, we will write here on singular column scarf. Next, in plural column, there is a word batches. So it will be in singular batch. Third is latch. So it will be latches. Okay. Fourth is fox. So it will be foxes. Fifth is chimney. So it will be chimneys. Sixth is thief. So it will be in plural thieves. Seventh is city. So it will be in plural cities. In plural column, there is a city. So it will be in singular city. 8 is lady. So it will be in plural ladies. 9th is louse. So it will be lies. 10th is brush. It will be brushes. 11th is wives. So it will be wife in singular. 12th is selves. So it will be in singular self. Okay, students. So just like this, you have to complete this given column. Okay. You have to write the correct singular and plural form according to the words. Now, student, here are some more ways in which a singular noun may be changed into a plural nouns. Okay, here are many more rules. You must be read this given rules one by one. So some nouns ending in F form the plural simply by taking an S. For example, roof, it will be roofs. Proof, it will be proofs. If there is a vowel before the Y, we simply add S to change it to plural. For example, ray, it will be rays. Joy, it will be joys. Some singular nouns ending with O become plural by ES. For example, potato, so it will be potatoes. Buffalo, it will be buffaloes. Some singular noun ending with O become plural simply by adding S. For example, piano, so it will be pianos. In some compound words, there is the first word. For example, runner-up, so it will be runner-ups. Next is brother-in-law, so it will be brothers-in-law. There are some nouns that do not change whether they are singular or plural. For example, sheep, fish, deer, hare, rice, coffee, etc. So some nouns are used only in the plural. For example, trousers, odds, seizures, tongue, etc. Okay, student. So write the correct plural form of these nouns. So here is the word in singular column, toy. So it will be toys. Second word is mango, so it will be in plural, mangoes. Third is sister-in-law, so it will be sisters-in-laws. Okay. Fourth is proof, it will be proofs. Fifth is valley, so it will be valleys. Sixth is photo, so it will be photos. Next, seventh is fish, so it will be fish. Eighth is kilo, so it will be kilos. Ninth is chief, it will be chiefs. 10th is piano, it will be pianos. 11th is cargo, it will be cargos. 12th is ship, it will be ship. Okay, student. Now we are moving to the next exercise. So in this exercise, select the correct plural form for each word from the option. So student, you must be choose the correct form, plural form of this given words. Here are two examples. You must be choose the correct one. Okay. So first is elf. What will be the plural form of elf? It will be elves. Okay. Next word is rhino. So it will be plural rhinos. So we will choose the correct one, that is A. Option number A. Third is loaf. So it will be lofts. Okay. Fourth is volcano. So it will be volcanoes. Next, number 5, that is countries. So it will be countries. 6 is self. It will be selves. 7th is hero. So it will be heroes. 8 is mosquito. So it will be mosquitoes. 9th is donkey. So it will be donkeys. 10th is roof. So it will be roofs. 11th is quiz. It will be quizzes. 12th is thieves. So it will be thieves. 13 is seizures. So it will be seizures. So just like this you have to choose, and after that you have to write one by one on the given blanks. Okay, student. Now we are moving to the next exercise. That is exercise B. So what will we do in this given exercise? So student, fill in the blanks with the appropriate singular or plural form of the nouns in the brackets. So first is, our school has a big dash. It has many dash. So here are two examples, library and books. So on first blank we will write library. Our school has a big library and it has many books. Okay. Second is, the dash are filled with dash. So we will write the books are filled with stories. Okay. Third is, someone walked through the hall. So here we will write hall. Number 5, my dad gifted me a new dash on my dash. So we will write, my dad gifted me a new watch on my birthday. Next is number 5, this dash have been made by my mother. So we will write here, these paintings have been made by my mother. 6 is, there is a small dash near my house. It has many dash. So we will write, there is a small lake near my house. It has many ducks. 7th is, I watched many dash while I was sick. So we will write here, I watched many films while I was sick. Number 8, a dash has 9 dash. So here we will write, a cat has 9 lives. Number 9, a group of dash swarmed around a dash. So we will write on the first blank, a group of ants swarmed around a biscuits. Okay. So just like this you have to write. In number 10, look at the dash lighting up the dash. So we will write on the first blank, look at the works lighting up the sky. Next, in number 11, my mother was carrying 5 shopping bags when she came out of the mall. So first we will write, my mother was carrying 5 shopping bags when she came out of the mall. 12th is, I watched a show about dash. So we will write on the given blanks, insects. Okay, student. And after completing this exercise, we will move to next exercise, that is, find the errors and write these sentences correctly. So aeroplane have wings. So here we will write, we will change the given word aeroplane in aeroplanes have wings. Okay, we will add s. According to the word, we will change the singular word into plural. Okay, students, so just like this you have to complete this given exercise, and after that you will write this given exercise in your notebook. And do you know, here are some information for you, that do you know the plural of mouse? The rodent is mice, but the plural form of mouse, the computer device, is mouses. The plural of person is persons or people. Okay, student, it is very important information for you that the plural of mouse is mouse, the rodent is mice, but the plural of mouse, that the computer device, is mouses, and the plural of person is persons or people. Okay, student, so you must be remember this given information, and your homework is, your today's homework is, you must be complete this given exercises in your book, and after that, when you completing this all exercises one by one in your book, you must be write this given exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, student, it is very important for you that you must be completed your fair copy, and also learn about what is noun and its kinds, that is common, proper, collective. You must be learn this given all kinds of nouns, and after that you have to learn how could we change the singular form into plural. Okay, student, so that's it for today. I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete this given exercises in your book and after that in your notebook. Okay, student, so that's it for today. I will explain the next chapter in my next video, so for that you all keep watching my video. Thank you.